Hi everybody, welcome back once again to this channel. Thank you very much for joining us once again. So today we're going to be exploring this quite very interesting question from the KwaZulu Natal province for your Maths Paper 1 2024 trial exam under number patterns. Okay, if you're new to the channel, guys, please make sure that you have subscribed. Just turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified every time when we upload a new session. Without wasting any time, let's get into it. Okay, so the question says evaluate 1 squared minus 2 squared plus 3 squared minus 4 squared plus 5 squared minus 6 squared plus 7 squared minus 8 squared. This is added up until 399 squared minus 400 squared. Okay, so you can see that we are adding a lot of values here, right? And you know there are a lot. If you are to list this, you can't do it on a calculator, definitely. So what we have to do is we have to notice, because this is a series, right? We have to realize what kind of series are we dealing with. That will enable us to choose the formula we can use to be able to evaluate this expression, right? So if you notice something here, guys, we have the difference between two squares, right? At each sum, we are adding the difference of each square at each sum. What we can basically start by doing is we can start by finding the answers of this difference of these two squares. Perhaps we'll be able to realize what kind of series we are dealing with at this point, right? So if I say 1 squared minus 2 squared, it's going to give me negative 3 plus 3 squared minus 4 squared, negative 7 plus 5 squared minus 6 squared, it's giving me negative 11 plus 7 squared minus 8 squared, which is giving me negative 15. Okay, then plus this is added up until the last term, which is 399 squared minus 400 squared, which is giving me negative 799. Okay, so at this point you can see that this can't be a geometric series, right? If you just look at the values, there seems to be a difference, a common difference between the terms, right? If you check the difference between negative 7 and negative 3 is negative 4. Difference between negative 11 and negative 7, negative 4. Difference between minus 15 and minus 11 is negative 4. Can you see that we actually have a common difference of what? Of negative 4. Then we know we are dealing with an arithmetic series, right? Of which, to find the sum, the formula is n over 2 a plus last term, or sum is n over 2 2a plus n minus 1d. Okay, so the two of the formulas can be used, but in this case, because we have the last term and we can see the last term is negative 799, so we can choose the one that includes the last term, right? So to evaluate this series, I'm going to use the formula Sn equals to n over 2 a plus last term. I do know that n, in this case, how many terms are we adding up? In this case, we are not yet sure. We're going to go and calculate that. Our a, first term in our series here, the first term is negative 3, and the last term is negative 799, right? So obviously we need to know how many terms are being added. So we're going to use the formula Tn equals to a plus n minus 1d for a general formula of arithmetic sequence, right? We know that Tn is the same as the last term, which in this case is minus 799, is equals to our a is minus 3 plus n minus 1. Common difference is negative 4. Okay, so if we say minus 799 plus 3, when we take the 3 to this side, it will be minus 796, right? If I have taken that 3 that side, then if I want to remove this minus 4, I'll divide by minus 4 both sides. Okay, so minus 796 divided by minus 4 is gonna give me what? 199 is equals to n minus 1. Okay, number of terms, -1 comes this side, then we know that we are adding how many? 200 terms in this case. Then we can find the sum of 200 terms to be 200 over 2, our a is minus 3, plus the last term, which is what? Which is -799. Okay, so you can just use your calculator in this case to actually find the sum of this series. Okay, so on your calculator, when you use it, you're gonna get the answer as -80,200. Okay, then we have actually evaluated that series. Okay, I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you soon. Bye.